video, we'll learn about the InvesTiger subscription journey. You can access the subscription screen from the hamburger menu on the dashboard. With just one subscription, you get access to all our stock baskets. This means you can invest in all the available portfolios in the app during your subscription period. Special offer. We have an InvesTiger introductory offer where we have waived off the annual fee for the first year. Yes, you heard it right. We have removed the annual fee for the first year. To access all of InvesTiger's handpicked portfolios, just click on the subscribe button. A confirmation message will pop up. Simply click yes. Congratulations, you have successfully subscribed to the plan.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.